Continue from the previous section, or open the file Chapter 16 Office Suite Materials 03.max. So far, we've applied the beige wall paint material to our walls. Now we are going to continue adjusting the material to provide a more realistic semi-gloss surface. From the main toolbar, open the Compact Material Editor. Select the beige wall paint material. Notice that it has highlighted corners. White corners indicate that our walls are selected and that this is the material applied to those walls. Gray corners indicate that the material is assigned to objects in the scene, but they are not selected. We're going to discuss what is called the BRDF, or Bidirectional Reflectance Distribution function. This function essentially describes the way we observe everyday objects and the way they interact with light when viewed from different angles. In the Material Editor, open the BRDF rollout. If you think about a surface like a glass wall, when you look straight on, which is the 0 degree value, you can see through it. However, when you look at a sharper angle to the glass, there is a higher reflection, or a higher 90 degree value. These two values combine to determine how the material reflects light and the environment, and is critical to creating a realistic material. These values can be determined in several ways. We can either guess the value, we can calculate the value by measuring it, or we can look up the value based on certain material types. In this case, we're going to use the guessing method. We're going to set the 0 degree value to 0.006 and press enter. This value will give us a very low reflection amount when we're looking straight on at this material. The 90 degree value will also be low. Remember, this is a wall paint, not a high gloss surface. Set the 90 degree value to 0.2 and press enter. Notice that our curve in the reflectivity versus angle curve view now represents the values that are in our 0 and 90 degree parameters. Here we are seeing that numeric value portrayed as a graph. Go ahead and save the file and we're ready to move on.